welcome gifts. Mine is an LED lamp. Yours? And mine is a volcano activity, and it's scientist activity. That's all.
Scientist activity. Okay.
Yeah.
Shall we open and see?
Yes. Let's open mine first. Okay, let's do it. Here was a volcano. Now we got a water of glass and chemicals. And this is poison. And this is actually not sugar. This is actually chemicals. Sugar. And we have an injection. So you poke me. Oh! And we also have a spoon and mixer. And we also have a baby volcano. So there is blasted water. And we have protector river. I put it on my sister. You know what it is? Okay. And we should press the drum first. For the gas to not come.
Okay. Shall we start
Yes.
your experiment, volcano experiment?
Yes. The first time you need to take the parent's head. After you got it fully, you can try to do it on your own. These are one chemical. Take it. No, you don't. First we pour that chemical sugar. I am scared of chemical. Now we wear protective gear. Oh, okay, that's all my hands. We suck some water up. So I would protect you. And then we put it in the volcano. It was my water system. Experiment is successful. Put more water to make it. Newspaper.
ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు.
It really is exploding like anything today. I put. Wow! Look at our successful volcano. Ooh, what is that here?
What is that red one called as?
Magma.
Lava, right?
Magma. These kind of big volcanoes are there. Water. Now let's see my toy. It's called the LED lamp. See?
Oh.
And fire. I touch fire. And I can off the fire automatically. Green fire. I blow. Now find it on. Now I catch it.
Be careful. Shall we make it?
Yes. We got stickers and a sketch pen and circles, and we got candles and glitter packets and plastic sheets and an instruction manual. Here you can have one sheet, and I will have this sheet. These things are there so that we can put them through.
Okay, let's see who will decorate more nicely.
Yes. We have glitter paste, so then we should decorate them. Krishank is doing the golden glitter and I am doing the silver glitter, and you can do according to your wish. The silver and golden one is done. The pink glitter is not working. Let's wait till it dries. And let's make the pink okay till it dries. It's really not that easy. Yeah. Ta-da! These stickers which are there, let's take them and stick them so the lamp will get even more beautiful. Which one would you like to choose?
I like the roses.
The roses?
Yeah.
That's what I like too.
Which one is your favorite, Krishan?
Diamond.
Oh, because you are a diamond boy.
Yes.
Decoration? Okay.
See, my lamp is ready. And make sure to put them in the matching color. Suppose this is pink. You should put the pink fire. Instead of doing that, you can keep the fire and put the lamp on top. So the LED lamp is done.
Ding. Lamps are ready. Nice.
So this is how it will look when you have the lights. Pretty good, no? Yeah. Tell which one you like, the pink one the most, or the blue one the most, or the green one the most. I like the pink one the most. And you? Blue and green. No, only one color. Blue. Okay. What do you like, guys? The green or the pink or the blue? Tell me. Tell me. Even you tell us. You like green, pink or blue? Bye bye. Bye bye. Put a thumbs up quickly. Make sure you put a thumbs up. In 1 second. Bye bye. These are all the other sets available. You can buy them too if you wish. This one, India. India map is there, and bigger India map.
World map.